Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the exciting world of movavi video editor and exploring a powerful feature that is AI noise removal. Get ready to take your videos to new heights by effortlessly eliminating unwanted background noise and achieving crystal clear audio. Background noise can be distracting and diminish the overall quality of your content. But fear not. With movavi video editors, AI noise removal, you can enhance your audio in your videos by creating a more professional and immersive experience. So, without further ado, let's get started. Start by importing the audio to your timeline. I have this audio. I'm going to play it for you.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record.
You can hear the clear background noise that is in here. So I'm going to place it on my timeline here. And again, I'm going to play it for you.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
So what we are going to do is use the AI noise removal feature that is provided by movavi video editor. Simply select your audio, just right click on it. Here, just click on tools. Here, scroll down. And there, under the equalizer, you can see there's an option for the noise removal. Just click on it. You will have this panel open in your window. Here, just select noise removal. Here's an option to default, but we are using the artificial intelligence to remove the noise from your audio. Here, select the apply. This will take some time to remove the noise from your audio. And you're done. Let's play the audio once more.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
As you can see, there is zero to none noise in the background. So that's why, and that is a very easy and a beautiful feature that is provided by movavi video editor. You can do the same with any speech that you want. You can use the multiple audios and multiple sources that you can choose from. Just simply select your audio, right click on it. Here, select tools and then noise removal. You will have this panel in front of you. Just simply select the artificial intelligence and then click on apply. And you are done. You can also make some adjustment to it. You can use the sound autocorrects, audio effects, equalizers, the compressor, the beat detection, the synchronization, and many more. Now, enjoy the clarity. movavi video editor's AI noise removal provides you the customization options to fine-tune the audio and achieve the best possible result. Thank you for joining us on this audio enhancement journey. With movavi video editor and the AI noise removal feature, you have the power to take your videos to next level and deliver an exceptional audio experience. So, if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.